ब्रेक के बाद आपका प्रोग्राम क्या बात है में स्वागत है। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं रितु गुप्ता से, जो ईस्टर्न ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज की वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हैं और इस कंपनी का फ्यूचर रिप्रेजेंट करती हैं। रितु, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। रितु, ये बताएं कि आप इस कंपनी का जो फ्यूचर रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं, आप इस कंपनी में पली हैं, बड़ी हैं, तो आपने अपने डैड के साथ ही कंपनी में ज्वाइन क्यों शुरू किया?
Well, all of us started very young. When we were very small, as soon as we were done school, they would put us to work. And they would always tell us, you have an exciting project, come to work and we'll teach you all of this stuff. And when you're small, you don't appreciate it. And when you're small, you think that all the other kids are outside playing and I have to be at the office. But now at this age, I have grown to appreciate this so much. I learned so young what other kids will learn when they're maybe 15, 16. So when I was at work at the age of 10 to 12, we were learning administrative stuff, even small things. Ratna, picking up the phone and saying, hello, welcome to Easton's Group. You're taught this professionalism. So for me personally, this is my passion. And I was definitely, when my sister and I, when we were young, she wanted to play house and I wanted to play office. So I think for me, business has definitely been in my blood.
परफेक्ट। सो जब आपने शुरुआत की, जैसे आपके पापा ने शुरुआत की यहाँ पे, वो इमिग्रेंट होके आए थे, आप यहाँ की जनरेशन है, आप इस कंपनी को कहाँ ले जा रही हैं और क्या विजन्स रखती हैं इसके लिए?
Lots, you know what? I have lots of goals and lots of ambitions. Obviously, I get that from my dad. He started this company from nothing, and now we have 15 hotels. We have condo projects as well. So I'm hoping to take this company international. Hopefully, have our own boutique hotels, have more condos in Canada, US, and hopefully India as well in the future.
आपके डैड जो हैं वो एक विजनरी रहे हैं, एक इंस्पिरेशन रहे हैं इमिग्रेंट्स के लिए, और आप इस जनरेशन के लिए विजनरी हैं। क्या एडवाइस देंगी आप मेरी जनरेशन को, हमारी जनरेशन को, जो बिजनेस में डलना चाहती हैं और सक्सेस पाना चाहती हैं?
I think the one thing that my parents have taught me, and everything I have and everything I am today is because of them, is never to give up. And a lot of people are very scared of hard work. But if you don't work hard, you will always regret it. But if you work hard, you will never regret it. And you will always look back and say, I did my best, and that was the best that I can do, and that's what the main thing is. So what I live by is, number one, having confidence. Whatever decision you make, always have that confidence and never ever give up.
रितु, आप सिर्फ बिजनेस में नहीं, काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स में इन्वॉल्व रहती हैं, फिलैंथ्रोपी में भी, वॉलंटियर में भी, फंड रेजिंग में भी, इसके बारे में कुछ बताएं।
So I am involved in a couple of different things. I was on the TIFF board this year. They actually did a celebration of Indian cinema, and I was on the board for this, which was a lot of fun. I also recently did a Dancing with the Stars event. So I had to learn ballroom dance. I learned ballroom Latin cha-cha, it's called, and I raised about $66,000, which was great, and this was all for the Community Foundation in Mississauga. I'm also on the spiritual side. I'm very religious. I'm very spiritual. I am the president of the World, it's called the World Spiritual Awareness Forum. What I believe and what I fear is that in our generation, we were all born here, that sense of spirituality is almost gone, it's almost missing, and I'm hoping to bring this back. So if you want more information, we can speak about this later, definitely, but this group will start to have meetings next year. It's called the World Spiritual Awareness Forum, and this was brought by a Guru Vanand Swamiji. I met him a few years ago, and he's completely changed my life, and I want to bring this message to our generation.
रितु, जब आपके पापा यहाँ आए थे तो उन्होंने काफ़ी स्ट्रगल्स फेस किए होंगे अपने बिजनेस को जिस मुकाम पे आज वो है वहाँ पहुँचाने के लिए। क्या आप कोई स्ट्रगल्स फेस करती हैं अपने स्टैंडर्ड में?
There's many struggles, and I think first of all, being young, being a woman, there's always struggles that you're going to face. But if you look at it as struggles, that's your first mistake. You just have to look at it that, this is every day. You're going to have different conflicts every day. If it's something that you can change, there's nothing to worry about. If you can't change it, there's even less to worry about. So you just always have to keep going forward.
और एक क्वेश्चन मैंने आपके डैड से पूछा था कि वो अगर इंस्पायर होके कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहे तो वो उनको क्या एडवाइस देंगी? आप अपने तरीके से कौन सी एडवाइस देंगी?
I think if a lot of people our age are always scared to start a new business or a new idea. I also have a fashion line that I will be starting next year, and it's scary. It's always scary to take that first step to say, this is a dream of mine and what can I do to achieve it? But I think the number one thing is, the thing that you're scared of the most is always going to be the most worth it. So I would say whatever you are scared of is the one thing that you should put your mind to and definitely go to achieve it.
रितु, आपसे बात करके बहुत इंस्पायर हुई मैं। थैंक यू आपका यहाँ आने के लिए। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपने भी रितु से, इस जनरेशन से बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा, इंस्पायर होंगे और कोशिश करेंगे अपने पैशन को बाहर लाने के लिए और कुछ फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट ट्राई करने के लिए। मिलते हैं एक ब्रेक के बाद।